Can you see the lights? The posters? This is a big production. Move it to the other camera.
Yeah.
Big production, right? So here we have, state your name and where you're from.
Hey, I'm Ixnaey and I'm from Sydney.
Yeah. And then, so before we start, we just want to do some like rapid fire questions, right?
Okay, hit me. I'm ready.
Why? No, I'm kidding. Let's start with the why question.
Why are you the way that you are?
But okay, let's start with this. Are you a vintage person or a new person? Do you like to go old school?
I like to mix it up. Like this is vintage,
Yeah.
Okay.
this is thrifted, and then this fit is new.
I
so
see
I like
that.
to mix and match sometimes.
That's
But
classic.
if I had to pick one, gun to my head, probably vintage, just because I'm a bit like sentimental and that's
100%.
my
Oh,
vibe.
yeah. I got a question actually. If you were to play at a festival, which one would it be?
Ooh, maybe like Spilt Milk, because that was the first one
That's
that I
fire.
ever went to.
That's fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did they still make that?
They cancelled it. Eh?
Really? I
Actually,
feel like it was
Spilt
last
Milk.
year.
Let's do it again. Run it back. Run it back, please. Yeah, let's go to the next questions. What would be your death row meal? Like, last
Death
meal?
row meal, damn. Probably like, I don't know. It's gonna be super boring and healthy, but I just like potatoes and steak and like
Anything you want.
Salad.
You want potatoes and steak.
just like something hearty and
Yeah?
healthy. Again,
Yeah.
like I'm very sentimental and like homey, so just something comforting and warm.
I get that.
Because like I'm about to die, right? So
100%.
I wanna
See, she's meal prepping.
Meal prepping.
Meal prepping.
look at my
that, yeah.
macros,
Yeah.
you know.
But for the last question, let's really want to quick this up. Would be your guilty pleasure song?
Guilty pleasure song.
Doesn't have to be EDM.
Yes.
I don't even do the EDM like that, to be honest. Maybe like Britney Spears, like the Blackout album was iconic for me when I was younger.
Ooh, what would you say? What'd you say your favorite song was?
Break the Ice. Check it out if you haven't already.
Is she
Really, really
gonna
good.
play it?
You gonna play it? You gonna play it?
Safe,
Alright,
stay tuned.
let's find out.
Let's find out. Yeah.
Come on.
Tune in, guys. Ixnaey on the decks.
Oh, okay.
Pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk it out of back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up towards the ceiling, walk face up on floor. Someone's fucking jump, yeah, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the punks out, feeling. Fuck it, amps in the trunk, and I got more rhymes in the stops that are dunking. Don't let shots, sure enough, I got back from the kids from the hill with my mom and my pops. I can make it down, I can make it down. So sometimes just jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. One, two, three to the 3, 2, 1. So hot with the tongue, I can melt down the sun. Batman, man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage, I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, so Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so okay. Batman, man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, so Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the damage and damage, Batman. Man's the damage and damage, so I'm a bad man. Man's the When you hear them stop, 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 stop. I can hear them sirens coming. Blood. When you hear them stop, 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 stop. I can hear them sirens. Blood. When you hear them stop, 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 stop. I can hear them sirens coming. Blood. When you hear them stop, 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 stop. Hear them sirens coming.
Moverte, deja que la música te lleve la corriente. Vamos a bailar hasta el amanecer. Esta noche nuestra, no hay nada que perder. Siente el ritmo, no pares de moverte. Deja que la música te lleve la corriente. Lleve la corriente, lleve la corriente. Lleve la corriente, 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 lleve la corriente
Okay.
Why don't think you trust in my self-righteous suicide? I cry when angels deserve to die. Angels deserve to
Okay.
Sortez les armes, en fait sortez les armes. Triomphe des babillés, triomphe des babillés. J'ai drogué mes lunettes, j'ai mal aux yeux. Je voulais régler tous mes contentieux. Sortez les armes à feu, on n'est pas du genre à se faire menacer. Sortez les armes à feu, sortez les armes. Sortez les armes à feu, sortez les armes. Sortez les... J'ai sorti le bazooka, Kalachnikov à côté de moi. Ma chérie, non ne panique pas. Et j'ai aussi le UZT. J'ai mis mes lunettes, j'ai mal aux yeux. Je voulais régler tous mes contentieux. Sortez les armes à feu, on n'est pas du genre à se faire menacer. Sortez les armes à feu, sortez les armes. Sortez les armes à feu, sortez les armes. Sortez les...
active as lovers. Sound like the military little birds. With him, you know I got hell of us. You know, it's gonna be a mad thing when we get active as lovers. Sound like the military little birds. With him, you know I got hell of us. You know, we love that. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, rude boy. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, rude boy. Mad thing when we get active as lovers. Sound like the military little birds. Rhythm, you know I got hell of a isn't it? You know my thing, bird boy. Last rap, but they're gonna get off the ranch right now. That's part of the plan, original that. The only one gets the sun and from both of them and late and some can't understand how to say fine and slang. Wanna follow that beat like followers pay food, won't never land. Let me burn down the place called Fireman Sam. You know my steed, burn down the rhythm be a feed. And I send for the to be good weed. Smoke my tree, meditate set the mind free. Is a mark during times like these. Be a technique, night group them and never lean. That's something that you never gonna see. I stand up on the stage show at 3 o'clock. Everything burn down by 5 past 3. Lightning, I saw me say the levels on up. The rebels them again, I saw me like it, no compromising. The boy them say they wanna stop, man. Right, so the levels on up. The rebels them again, I saw me like it, no compromising. The boy them say they wanna stop, man. My team and me get like give a shell of us. Sound like the military lead of us. With it, you know I got hell of us. Yo, we love that. Yeah, my team and me get like give a shell of us. Sound like the military lead of us. With it, you know I got hell of us. Yo, we love that. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, rude boy. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, rude boy. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, rude boy. Pull up that, pull up that. Run that again, rude boy. Ella viene por ahí y no me deja sola. Ella nunca llega sola. Solo para ti, y suelta la pistola. Ella viene por ahí, por ahí. Viene por ahí, por ahí. Yo soy la más, esta Wii, después de las dos, ya mañana dos. Dale mami, pégate, tírate. Si me invitas mucho sabes que voy a hacerte. Dale mami, pégate, tírate. Si te ves si no la agarras siempre voy a llevarte. Oh my god, dog. Oh my god, this motherfucker. It's in this game. Oh, this shit is fucking, hey dog, this shit is killing me. Oh my god, what is this shit? Ella viene por ahí y nunca llega sola. Ella nunca llega sola. Solo para ti, y suelta la pistola. Dale mami, dale mami, oh shit. Yo soy la más, esta Wii, después de las dos, ya mañana dos. Dale mami, pégate, tírate. Si me invitas mucho sabes que voy a hacerte. Dale mami, pégate, tírate. Si te ves si no la agarras siempre voy a llevarte.
The dance goes silly, the ladies gon' feel me. The fellas in the back, and they twisting up a belly. The dance goes silly, the ladies gon' feel me. The fellas in the back, and they twisting up a belly. My J's too silly, cause they made back a valley. J's so excited, you can't find them, little buddy. I'm not Nick Cannon, but I'm wildin' out clubbing, watching everybody jogging while I'm popping something bubbly.
Something bubbly, I'm tryna do it big. The boy from the A, I'm tryna represent. Them haters in my way, I play this game to win.
Watch me take it to the alley, I'm all off like some pin. Drop, I'ma still like silly. Cause everybody dancing and everybody dipping. Raise next in my jeans, I feel like my name was Billy. While I'm jocking on you haters, I feel like a Papa Willie. Get silly, 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 get the dance floor silly. The ladies gon' go, the fellas in the back, and they twistin' up a belly. The dance floor silly, the ladies gon' go, the fellas in the back, and they twistin' up a belly. Get silly.
Lágrima de Ouro e DJ G2G.
God damn.
So chaotic, guys.
I'm sweating.
How you feeling?
It's the DJ.
How you feeling?
Yeah, how do you feel about that?
I need like a Xanax after that. That was a lot of
I
energy.
feel you. I feel you, sis. The more about
I'm
it.
kidding. We don't condone that behavior here.
100%.
Unless you're prescribed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which,
Yeah. Oh, is the mic on? Yep. Oh. Okay, so that was.
Yeah, no.
That was Ixnaey. Ixnaey. That's it.
like an ADHD ass DJ. That
And
was a lot.
honestly, it cured my ADHD for a bit. Like for the longest time, I didn't know what genre you're gonna play. I was like confused by it.
Me too, honestly.
But I love that name though, Ixnaey.
Yeah.
Can I take a guess? Is that Pig Latin?
Yes, it is.
What's the? I'm not really familiar with Pig Latin, but what's that?
It's Pig Latin for no.
No.
Yeah. It's one of my favorite words to use. I think as women, especially in this industry, we need to say no more often.
100%.
And I feel like no is a full sentence, so I'm like very.
No full stop. Period.
No Ixnaey.
Yeah. No
period.
Ixnaey.
So yeah, that's me.
I love that.
That's deep.
Yeah.
I actually wanna catch up on. You just did a Philippines tour recently.
Yes,
yeah.
I did in January. Yeah.
Where'd you do that?
Where did I do it?
Yeah.
I went to Manila. I had 3 gigs in Manila, and then I went to Siargao Island. I did 2 gigs there, which were really.
How was that? Siargao is like
Siargao
the
was
party
really
area,
nice.
though.
Yeah, wow. It's very touristy. I wasn't expecting it to be that touristy, to be honest, but it was very nice. The crowd was just like happy for anything, and like as you can see, I played a little bit of everything on quite open format, so they were just like happy.
They went crazy for the dots there, yeah.
You know how it is.
Especially Sharga, man. Sharga is always the party island. But
That's dope.
Yeah.
But also
I want
like
to go back. Like for real.
Take us.
All right, you heard it here first. World Tour Philippines. Sharga, Manila, and Bohol.
Bohol?
Don't worry about it.
Just threw that in there.
Just
threw that in there. Why not?
But that doesn't matter, because like, not gonna lie, I've looked through your Instagram, this and that, and I've noticed like you play a lot of outdoor events, right? Like before you used to do like a lot of like picnic DJing, like is that a hobby like that you like to do like in the spare time?
I just feel like it's important to touch grass, and I love touching grass. I think we all need to touch grass sometimes.
Rule number 4, touch grass.
Rule number 4, touch grass.
Touch grass.
Yeah.
There are rules? What's the rule?
Our rule, normally we have a rule number 2, but we can't do that today. Chris Brown.
Yeah, when in doubt, Chris Brown. Rule number 1 is always feel the music.
Nah, fuck Chris Brown. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
No
That's
to Chris Brown. Ixnaey, period.
No, Ixnaey. Chris Brown.
Exactly.
No, yeah, I just like outdoors. I feel like with the club scene as well, like it's just, it gets chaotic and
100%.
late nights. So yeah, it's important to touch grass and just like absorb the vitamin D.
100%. Yeah, because I saw like you play like Chinese Laundry, all those like compact spaces. But also so your collab with Zone 33, where you guys do like the underground stuff. Like how did that come along in terms of?
Yeah, it was crazy. They reached out to me to be part of their collective after my tour.
Okay. Oh, this
So I was able to like headline with them, and I sold out, which I'm really, really grateful for. But they're really big on like the underground illegal raves, which kind of like brings in a really cool crowd as well. But yeah. The event got shut down after I played, so I was like, okay, cool. At least I got my set down. I'm out of here.
This is legal, but this is a legal rave, right?
Is it?
Yeah. Is it?
I don't know.
I don't know about that.
Last thing, anything you want to plug?
Any events, music, shows,
socials.
Yeah, look at the camera. You gotta look at the camera.
You guys, you want to be shy?
Look at the camera. This is Ixnaey.
Okay, so I am co-organizing an event with my friend Ash, aka Miss Peculiar.
I love that name.
Yeah,
that's nice.
And we're doing a swap meet. So essentially, it's very community focused and led. So we're inviting people to bring items like clothing, accessories, potted plants, vinyls, whatever. And you bring it along, and you can trade those items with someone else who brings their own items. And we've also got a henna artist there. We're going to have a tarot card reader. We've got artists.
We did that.
It's a free event. The event is sponsored by Young Henry, so you'll have free drinks while stocks last.
This is deadly.
It's at the Good Space Gallery on the 22nd of August on Saturday.
You're playing there?
Maybe. I'm going to be busy, like
you're gonna be
organizing and whatnot, but we will
event manager.
Event manager.
No.
But
Been promoted.
Yeah, say the name of the location again and the date.
Okay, so it's going to be at the Good Space at Lord Gladstone Hotel, the one in Chippendale, because I think there's like 2. The one in Chippendale. And 22nd of August on Friday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yeah.
You heard it here first. August 22, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Yes, sir.
I will catch you there.
Bye.
Yeah!